How to win money in Bingo Blitz game. In Bingo Blitz, you cannot win or cash out real money. The game is designed purely for entertainment and uses virtual currencies like coins, credits, and power-ups, which cannot be converted into real-world currency. Now I will show you how to get the coins, credits, and power-ups in the Bingo Blitz game. Now to get the credits, simply tap onto credit at the top right here, select it. Then from the Bingo store, you can simply buy them. Now to buy it, simply use the money and buy it. You can also buy gems from right here, and you can also buy the power-ups from Bingo Boost right here. You can also get the free boost every 2 hours, just right here. Now you need to understand that this game is a free-to-play game with no real money rewards or cash out options. You can earn real money by completing specific tasks in Bingo Blitz through platforms like FreeCash. Platforms like FreeCash occasionally feature offers where you can earn money by completing specific in-game tasks in Bingo Blitz. For example, reaching level 70 within 10 days can earn you approximately $30. Advancing to level 90 within 21 days may yield around $40. These offers are time sensitive and may vary, so it's essential to check the platform for current opportunities. And that's it. This is how you can win money in the Bingo Blitz game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.